Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by isolating variables. Enable airplane mode for about 10 seconds, then turn it off to reset radios quickly. Next, check Android version and router model so you know compatibility limits. Once done, disconnect Bluetooth and any VPN, and force stop heavy background apps to free wireless resources. This avoids interference and shows whether range is purely signal-related versus software-limited. Make sure to watch the Wi-Fi icon for reconnect behavior. It tells you if the phone negotiates. Now dig into settings. If you need range, prefer 4 GHz for better wall penetration. If you need speed nearby, use 5 GHz. On the router, pick a clean channel, try 1, 6, or 11, and switch if neighbors clash. On Android, enable Wi-Fi scanning and battery high performance or always-on network options so scans are more aggressive. Also, disable Wi-Fi optimization features that cut radio power. These steps change transmit behavior and often extend usable distance significantly. Finish by fixing physical and persistent issues. Move the router higher, away from metal appliances and concrete, or add an inexpensive extender to bridge dead zones. If problems persist, reset network settings on Android to clear corrupt configs. This wipes saved networks, so have passwords ready. If you still see poor range, test with another phone to isolate hardware faults. If the router fails both devices, contact your ISP or replace hardware. One key tip: try a wired speed test at the router to separate signal range from internet service problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.